What's up, Band Fam? Welcome back to Born Again Naturals, and today we have another exciting video for you guys. So we will be talking about that thing you put under your arm so you're smelling nice and fresh and clean, so the person in the back of you on the bank line don't be smelling you frowsy and all that kind of stuff. That thing, you know what it is, people. It's deodorant. So deodorants, like I said earlier, are essentially used to prevent body odor, but some of them have this extra little dirty ingredient that we're going to get into in a minute that actually prevents you from sweating. Now, there's so many other types of deodorants. I mean, there's the sprays, the roll-ons, there's the solid, there's so much to choose from. So everybody who's thinking out there, you have no excuse, okay? If you have been through puberty, if you know for yourself that if you go and you don't smell right, you should be using a deodorant. So like I said, a lot of deodorants that are in the market today have this nasty ingredient called aluminum. Now, aluminum sounds so amazing, right? Like, it sounds like an answer sent from heaven, like, oh my gosh, no sweating, sign me up. Like, I know the person at the company who created the first aluminum deodorant was like, oh my god, Cynthia, oh my god, I deserve a raise. Yeah, no, it is so bad for you, oh my gosh. And a lot of people don't know that because they maybe haven't heard about the cases that have been coming out, people getting like cancers in their lymph nodes, breast cancer, just a lot of bodily issues because they're using aluminum. They're not allowing their body to carry out the function that it's supposed to carry, and so that's why we are anti-aluminum, because it's just not good for you, and it's just one of those chemicals that we kind of like protest against, because you can do better. Like, there's so many other good things that are better out there. I know, sis, you holding on to your deodorant like, but I need it, but you don't. Like, you really don't. I'm telling you, I was one of those persons who felt like I could never do a natural deodorant, like, ever, like, because if we're being honest here, and you guys are our band fam, so I can be upfront with you guys, like, when I was going through that puberty stage, like, it was a little rough. Like, I can never lie to you. The little B.O. was like, she was struggling. And it took me a while to get my life together. But after I started using like more natural alternatives, I noticed a big difference, because like I never could really find a deodorant that worked for me, that had aluminum. Like, it would work for maybe like 4 hours, and then you start getting that musky scent. Am I the only person? All I'm saying is, when I switched to a really good natural deodorant, the first one I tried was Saffree. I don't know if it's still on the market. I guess you guys could look it up. But that one really helped me to change my mind about how I viewed natural deodorants, and that's why I have not turned back ever since. Thankfully, there are so many great options when it comes to natural deodorants. Of course, Born Again Naturals have some really bomb deodorants. So we actually have 4 deodorants now. We have a lavender, and I don't have that one today, but I will post it up in pictures instead. So we have the lavender, the peppermint, the fever grass, and the magnesium with zinc, which is our baking soda free deodorant. So a lot of people have complained about natural deodorants not working, and there are so many ways to fix that, and it's not necessarily even the natural deodorant's fault. What a lot of people don't realize is that the cast from the aluminum deodorants that they would have been using for so many years, it just builds up, and it's really hard to clean off. Like, don't think you can just get that thing off with soap and water. You really have to do some exfoliating and scrubbing and cleansing and detoxifying in order to get rid of that. And so I have a few things you can do in order to help your natural deodorants work better. Number 1, the first thing you can do is use an exfoliant. Now, exfoliants come in so many varieties, but one we're going to talk about today is the sugar scrub. The sugar scrub is amazing for getting rid of, any impurities on the skin, dirt, grime, pimples, you name it. It is just bomb.com. So you want to get some sugar and mix it with some oil, and you have your own sugar scrub. You can also either add honey or any liquid that has a sticky consistency of your choice. But yeah, anything like that goes really well to make a really nice sugar scrub. Plus it's super moisturizing, so you're getting an exfoliation and moisturizing experience. So you would just take the sugar scrub, scrub it under your arms for at least 30 seconds to a minute, and then wash it off. Now the second way you can make your natural deodorants work so much better for you is by using a detoxifying mask. Now there are so many masks out there on the market that detoxify the skin. You have clay masks from bentonite clay, rosol clay, rose clay. You have charcoal that is also good for just drawing out impurities. It's great for getting rid of that residue, breaking it down so that your nice clean skin can come through. Now the third way you can make your natural deodorant to work better is by using a detoxifying or exfoliating soap. There are also soaps on the market that have little granules in them that are really good for exfoliating. That also helps to break down the aluminum cast, as well as charcoal or bentonite clay soaps, all of which these products we have here at Born Again Naturals. So check out our store, bornagainnaturals.com, and you can find all of these products that I'm mentioning: the sugar scrub, the clay mask, the soaps, everything you can find on the website. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all for tuning in. Until next week, bye bye.